Hey guys, today I'll be making orange chicken in the Instant Pot. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified when new content is uploaded. So let's get started. So what I'll be using today is 3/4 cups of orange marmalade, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 3/4 cups of your favorite barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 pound of boneless chicken thighs cut up into small pieces, and an Instant Pot. So let's get started. First, I'm going to be adding my chicken into the Instant Pot. Then I'm going to add my barbecue sauce and my soy sauce. Then I'm going to mix it well. Now I'm going to place the lid and set the valve onto sealing. Then I'm going to set the pot on high pressure for 8 minutes. Once the 8 minutes are up, I will release the steam. Make sure the pin has dropped before you open it. Now I'll set the pot on saute mode. I will then add the garlic powder and the vinegar. Then I'm going to remove 1/4 cup of the gravy. I'm going to add it to the cornstarch. Then I'm going to mix it well. And put it back in the pot. Then I'm going to add the orange marmalade. I will continue to mix on saute for about 6 minutes or until the sauce has thickened. And there you have it, orange chicken in the Instant Pot. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe and share my video.